Leanne from Pear Blossom, California has a question about floor prep.
Sounds like a song, doesn't it?
I like it.
All right. She pulled up some carpet and found a little surprise, Tom. Leanne writes to us. She says, we're installing a new floating laminate floor. Okay, we found some old tile and removed it, but then there is some tar residue on the slab foundation where it came up. So she also is it necessary to remove the tar, or can we just lay moisture barrier or float or whatever over that and put our floor down?
As long as it's flat, you don't have to remove it. And it'd be really hard to remove it, and it's kind of a messy process because you got to use heat guns and propane. It's just a mess. But as far as that goes, if it's flat and it's the way you want it, doesn't have to be level. Flat is most important. You can't have more than an 1/8 inch of slope when you do a laminate floor. So someone's going to go in and do the checking and charge you per bag for floor leveling compound.
Can you repeat after me?
Yes.
Cha-ching.
Yes.
Okay.
And they will not tell you how much it's going to cost.
No.
They'll charge you per bag as they check everything when it's all ready to go. If you are paying someone to do it. If you're doing it yourself, you're still going to have to buy the floor leveling compound. But that's all you're looking at.
I'll give you a little tip. Ask to see the bags.
There you go. Count the bags.
Yeah, baby. All right. You got a question? Be happy to help you out. Just go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it like these videos over here. And you can subscribe to our channel and be alerted of brand new ones.